how to join your friend's world in Minecraft. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are in Minecraft, you have the app open. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on the first option right here where it's at play. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on join world. Now you're gonna have to get the code from your friends and just put it in here. Now you're gonna have to put in the codes from right here. So for example, my friend, he's telling me to put fish right here, so I'm gonna just put fish, potion, pickaxe, and cake. As you guys can see, once you put that in, just click on confirm right here. Click on confirm. Now it should say connecting. So if your friend, if they do have research pack, you're gonna have to get this screen, and if they don't have a research pack, then you don't gotta worry about nothing. So I'm gonna just click on download and join. Then it should take a while, and as you guys can see, it's downloading. Now it should say locating server. Wait 1 second. Now as you guys, so my mic did cut out, but as you guys can see, I was in the world. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.